If you want to add a photo to a contact on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to the phone app. Over here, make sure that you have the contacts list opened, and then we're gonna choose the photo for which we want to add an image. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and we're gonna use the eye icon on the right side. Next, we're gonna go to Edit at the bottom of the screen. Now we're gonna tap on the picture over here. We need to grant access to photos and videos. I'm gonna choose Allow All to be able to see everything. You can also use stickers, Galaxy Avatar, or one of these colors instead. You can also open the camera using the camera icon in the upper right corner, so you can take a picture right now to immediately set it for that contact. Or you can just go to the gallery in here, and you should be able to choose the picture that you want to use for that contact. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one over here. Now we can of course set that image as a profile card and also a picture. In my case, I'm just gonna choose picture, and we can tap on done. Then we can adjust the photo, so we can move left and right, zoom in and zoom out. And then once you set it up, we can use done here at the top right corner. You can also apply an effect, for example. There we go. And of course, we're gonna save our contact, our changes. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.